Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare IELTS Writing Easy Guide. Start by learning the test format, Task 1 and Task 2, timing, scoring bands, and common question types. Then plan each practice session with a clear goal, like improving coherence or vocabulary. Use real prompts and time yourself for 40 minutes, review model answers, and track mistakes. Build a routine that targets weak areas and measures steady progress. Begin planning every essay with a quick outline that maps thesis, main points, and examples. Aim for 4 to 5 clear paragraphs with topic sentences and linking phrases for coherence. Keep introductions short and state your position, then use specific examples to support each paragraph. Allocate roughly 5-7 minutes for planning, 30 minutes for writing, and 5-8 minutes for revising. Practice this rhythm until it feels natural and consistent. If you're finding this content helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical IELTS tips and guides. Quick recommendation: Droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Oala water bottle. Check the link in the description for details and deals. It's a simple way to stay refreshed during study sessions or timed tests. I use it during long practice days and it helps me focus. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on using varied vocabulary and accurate grammar to raise your band score. Learn high-utility phrases for introductions, comparisons, and conclusions, and practice complex sentences without sacrificing clarity. Deliberately correct recurring mistakes and keep a personal error list to avoid repeats. During revision, check for spelling, punctuation, and appropriate word choice. Frequent focused practice will improve accuracy and fluency, helping your writing sound confident and natural.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.